Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2015 Jeep Cherokee Limited 4-wheel drive, stock number B9656A. Only 25,000 miles and there's one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report, bright white in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage. Seats 5, leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. Plenty of cargo space in the rear. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, oversized panoramic moonroof, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheels, great for those cold winter days. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things used most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage in the armrest. Wireless charging pad for cell phones. Spacious glove box with all the owner's materials. Even more storage under the front passenger seat. Overhead, moonroof, and power sunshade control, along with home link transmitter for garage door openers. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 184 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information on this Cherokee, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.